on the Engineer Day. On the Engineer Day, I extend my warm welcome to the Honorable Chief Guest of today's function, Madam Anu Malhotra, KAS, Director, Technical Education, J&K. I would also like to welcome the Principal from Udhampur, Harvilas sir, Principal from Poonch College, Vinod Azad, all the HODs of this college, staff members, various staff from the various other polytechnic of Jammu division, all my dear students. Today, we all have assembled here for the celebration of Engineers Day. And Engineer Day is celebrated every year in India on 15th of September to mark the birth anniversary of a legendary engineer, Dr. M.K. Mokshabandham Visvesarya. You all know that he was the greatest engineer of all the time. He was a civil engineer who has given so many contributions to not only to the India but to this world in the civil engineering, and he was also awarded the Bharat Ratna Award. Today, on the occasion of Engineer Day, we have organized and started a new concept or trend from this year that every Engineer Day in every year it will be celebrated in this college by a name Manthan. And today is the first edition of Manthan 2018, and on this occasion we have organized the Inter-Polytechnic Debate Competition on the topic Skill-Based Education is the Key to Success. So I first of all congratulate all the students, all the staff from the various polytechnics, because today we have seen that not only the student of this college but students from NITS Polytechnic, from Women Polytechnic, from Ramban, even from Ramban Polytechnic, Riyasi Polytechnic, Udhampur Polytechnic, all the students have wholeheartedly participated in this debate competition, and we think that this initiative is paid, as this debate competition is basically organized for the students just to give them a platform to express their views. I believe that education should always be skill-based rather than knowledge-based, because as you know that our Prime Minister has launched various schemes like Make in India, skill development, just to give a boost to the skill, because it is only the skill which can provide you the job. And if you have a knowledge but you don't have a skill, so I personally feel that that knowledge is of no use, because if an electrical student have a knowledge of electrical circuits, but you don't know how to put a fuse, so what is the fun of that knowledge? So a knowledge should always be supported with a skill. And I am very happy that since our director has joined this department, our department is really growing in the right direction. And recently in the Srinagar, one program was organized, a mega pre-placement program was organized, which was a very highly successful program. That program is basically to give a boost to the student of J&K department, to the technical education department, and to give a platform to the student, so that all those students who have the skill, they may be provided some sort of the job. Basically, we all are engineers, and today is our day to celebrate. And I think that engineering is basically a profession in which we are able to apply the various science for the optimum conversion of the various natural resources for the benefit of our society, for the benefit of the humanity. Now, education is basically the backbone of any society, and engineering education, we can say that it is the backbone of any development taking place in any nation, any technology which is coming up in any nation. So engineers are playing a very great role, and it is basically the engineers, due to their vision and due to their knowledge, that we are successfully getting our nation or developing our nation in various fields like space research, development, rural development, renewable energy, agriculture, food processing, information, communication technology, education. So in everywhere, there is the input of skilled engineers, there is the input of vision, the passion, the action, the courage of the civil engineers, of the electrical engineers, mechanical engineers, different engineers which are taking our nation to a new height. And I think that on today, I want to take a promise from all of the students that being an engineer, you should all contribute to the future of this nation. You should use all your knowledge, you should all use your intelligence, you should all use your skill for the welfare of the nation, for the welfare of the society, and the welfare of the humanity on the large. I again, in the last, I welcome our worthy chief guest, Director Ma'am, for sparing her valuable time and coming to our institute and to giving a boost and to encouraging all the students in these skill development programs. Thank you.